How to find square root of 1024 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. For second pair, consider the second pair first, that is here 10. You have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 10 or nearest to 10. If you place here 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is greater. So 3 square equal to 10. So since you have same digit will come to the quotient also. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next pair. You have placed here the digit 3, so the same digit will come under this divisor. Add 3 plus 3, 6. Place here a number, that number also come here. Now multiply this number with this. Okay. If you place here, look, 2, then what will happen? 2 times 62, 4, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6, 12, 124. So if you place here 2, then 2 times 62, that gives us 124, which is equal, right? Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Since we have placed here 2, you can write 2 here and add 4, 6. Looks, this 64 is the double of 32. So from this thing we can say that our answer is correct. The square root of 1024 by long division method is 32.